大家好，歡迎大家嚟到跟英國人學英文，我叫做 Debbie。可能大家會好奇怪啦，點解今次得我一個人 Ian 呢？咁樣咁其實因為今次咧，我哋咧係做 B1 嘅文化測試，咁裏邊咧就會牽涉咗好多嘅中文解釋，咁所以咧就由我一個做返。咁今次嘅 B1 文化測試咧就會有20條題目嘅，咁我就將呢20條題目咧分做4關，咁而每一關咧就會有5條題目嘅，咁我哋就一齊做問題啦，一齊對答案啦，同埋我都會解釋返呢啲答案係點解嘅。咁今日咧就會係第一關，咁事不宜遲啦，我哋開始。好，咁我哋睇下第一條問題啦。This castle by our King George II. A. Built. B. Was built. C. Was building. 好啦，俾啲時間俾大家諗諗答案係咩先。答案就係 was built 啦。咁我哋睇翻條問題咧，就係講緊呢一個城堡係由咧我哋嘅皇帝 George II 咁樣嘅。咁點解揀 was built 咧？咁其實 was built 咧就係想講翻呢一個城堡咧係由我哋嘅皇帝 George II 所建立嘅。咁 was built 呢度咧就係一個 passive voice 啦，係一個被動式啦，同時咧亦都係一個過去式 past tense 嚟嘅。咁大家都見到佢係用咗 was 啦，咁係形容翻呢個城堡咧係俾我哋嘅皇帝 George II 所起嘅、所建立嘅咁樣。好，問題2啦。I can paint but I want to be better than my sister. A. Nice. B. Good. C. World. 好，俾啲時間俾大家諗諗。答案就係 well 啦。咁我哋睇翻條問題啦，就係話我可以油畫，但係咧我想俾我嘅姊妹好咁樣啦。咁呢度用 well 呢個字咧，就係因為 well 咧係一個 adverb 嚟嘅，係一個副詞。咁副詞咧就係形容動詞一個動作嘅。咁呢度咧就係話我可以油畫油得好好咁樣啦。咁所以就用 well 去形容油畫 paint 呢個字啦。咁相反我哋睇翻咧，如果答案 A 嘅 nice 啦，同埋答案 B 嘅 good 咧，其實佢哋係形容詞嚟嘅，佢哋只會係形容名詞，就唔會形容動作嘅。咁所以呢度咧就唔適用啦。第3條 The kid was fast that no one saw him. A. So. B. To. C. Such。 好，俾啲時間俾大家諗諗先。答案就係 so 啦咁樣。咁我哋睇翻條問題咧，佢就係講緊嗰個小朋友係好快嘅，咁啊冇人睇到佢，冇人見到佢咁樣啦。咁就會用 so 係形容 fast 啦，然之後後面加個 that 咧去形容呢一件事嘅。咁其實 so 然之後一個形容嘅詞語啦，然之後 that 咧係一個好 common 嘅用法嚟嘅喺個句子結構上面。第4題啦。Adults know how to use the internet. A. Little. B. Few. C. Much。 好，俾啲時間俾大家諗諗。咁答案咧就係 few 啦。咁睇翻條問題咧就係講緊成年人咧知道點樣去上網咁樣啦。咁我哋用 few 咧就係因為咧 adults 呢個字咧佢係有個 s 啦，佢係一個 countable nouns 嚟嘅，係可以數到嘅名詞。咁所以我哋量詞去形容呢一個名詞嘅數量嘅時候咧，我哋要用翻 few 代表好少嘅意思啦，咁樣咁就即係好少成年人知道點樣上網啦，咁樣咁就係用喺呢一個可以數到嘅名詞嗰度嘅。而相反我哋睇翻咧。答案 A 啦 ，little 同埋 C much 咧，其實佢唔係形容可以形容到咧 countable nouns 嘅，佢哋係形容 uncountable nouns 數唔到嘅名詞嘅。好啦，第5條 to Martin's party next Friday. A. Do you come? B. Are you coming? C. Did you come? 好啦，大家又會覺得係乜嘢呢？個答案咧其實就係 Are you coming 嘅。咁我哋睇翻個句子啦，就係話咧你會唔會嚟緊星期五啊？下個星期五會去 Martins 嘅派對咧 party 咧咁樣嘅。咁我哋點解呢度用 Are you coming 咧？就咁睇咧，你會知道啦。Are you coming 咧係一個現在進行式嚟嘅 present continuous tense。但係咧喺呢一個句子呢個 context 入邊咧，其實咧我哋係可以用現在進行式咧去表達一啲將來嘅嘢嘅，去表達一啲咧將來嘅計劃嘅。咁所以咧，我哋呢度就用咗B 呢一個答案啦。Are you coming 啦？好啦。咁話咁快咧，我哋就做晒5條嘅題目啦，就係我哋 B1英語文法程度嘅第一關啦。咁好啦，嚟緊咧我就會再 upload 第2關啊咁樣啦。咁希望咧大家敬請期待啦。咁就下次見啦，拜拜。